to construct. And from that point, this is not the point. From L, we have to measure 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter સુધી કઈક arc આપવાનો છે, and we have to point as X here. And from this point, we have to construct line M as a parallel to line L. See, it is written like this. Through point X, we have to draw a parallel line M to parallel line L. This two lines should be parallel. Is that all clear? What is the construction we have to do in this? So I will draw the construction on the new page. All of you pay attention. Draw line L. So we have drawn line L here. Chalo, line L લીધી. So take any point. We will take anywhere one point. ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકાય. શું લેવું છે સુફિયાન?
P.
P. Okay. Point P લીધું. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a perpendicular line. So we will open rounder and pencil. Perpendicular line means what? A line forming 90 degree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we will open rounder and pencil with the random measurement. Whatever measurement we want to. બહુ મોટું નહીં લેવાનું. We have to take only a random measurement which should be an appropriate one. થોડુંક distance થી, બરાબર? And we have to draw full arc on from point P like this. Okay?
Yeah.
In such a way that both the ends should cut line L. Have we took this? समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं बच्चा पार्टी?
Yeah.
So we got this intersecting point and we got this intersecting point. Okay?
Yeah.
Now what we will do? We will give the name this. I'm so sorry. For example, A and B. Point A and point B they do. Okay. Now what we will do? We will construct this. હવે અહીંયાથી ઈનું આ જે P પરથી જે કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કર્યું ને, જે મેઝર લીધું ને, ઈ મેઝર A ઉપરથી લઈને અહીંયા કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરો. One arc will be like this. From here to here, the another arc like this. So this will be of distance of 60 degree. પછી શું કરાય કે અહીંયાથી આ આમ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરાય, અહીંયાથી આ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરાય. It will form your 90 degree. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે? But I will give you the shortcut trick to find the 90 degree. So we will open rounder and pencil little bit bigger measurement. Okay, થોડુંક મોટું measurement લઈને કરવાનું. Take center point A and draw an arc on the top like this.
Yes.
Okay, સમજાય છે?
Yes,
Direct
sir.
મોટો arc ઉપર કરો. With the same measurement what you did from point A, with the same measurement from point B, draw an arc, the another arc like this, in such a way that it get intersected to the first arc. Okay?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes, understood.
So this intersecting point will be your exact 90 degree on the top. See here. સમજાય છે બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes.
Have you all understood?
Yes.
Now this is not our
Yes,
point
sir.
X. Let me clear you. આ આપણો X નથી. No, this is wrong. X point આ નથી. X point is what? Read the question. So this what we have drawn a perpendicular line. આપણું આ content પૂરું થયું. On this perpendicular line. હવે આ perpendicular line ઉપર choose point X 4 centimeter away from L. So જે L છે એ આ છે L line. So L T 4 centimeter away, you have to construct on a perpendicular line, and you have to give the name as X. So we will open rounder and pencil with the help of scale. We will measure up to 4 centimeter. For example, 4 centimeter અહીંયા આવ્યું, from 0 to 4 centimeter. So taking point P, draw an arc over here. like this. સમજાણું કે નહીં? This intersecting point is our point. કયો point આવ્યો આ? Which point we got here?
X.
Point X. Understood? And this distance is covering your 4 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this up till this part? समझाणु के नहीं?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
then what we have to do? Through X, draw line M parallel to L. હવે લાઈન L ની સાથે લાઈન M પેરેલલ કરવાની છે. ક્યાંથી? પોઈન્ટ X ઉપરથી. From which point? Point X ઉપરથી. Are you getting? Now, according to the rules, see, look here. These two lines are parallel, so this is the corresponding angles which is equal, and this is the internal alternate angles which is equal, like this angle and this angle. समझ पड़े છે કે નથી પડતી?
Yes.
So this angle will be equal to the other angle. This angle
Yes.
is 90 degree will be equal to the another angle which will be formed as an alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angle માટે can I take a center point P with the center point X with the random measurement, and can I draw an arc of preparing the 90 degree angle over here
Yes.
like this, cutting line segment PX? Can I construct this? समझ पड़े છે કે नहीं? If I give the name L and if I give the name M, LM નામ આપી દીધું, this intersecting point. Sorry. Are you all getting the construction what I did?
Yes, sir.
Now open rounder and pencil with the bigger measurement. અહીંયા 90 degree form કરવા શું કર્યું હતું? We have opened the bigger measurement. So we will take bigger measurement, taking point M on into grant and draw an arc on the top. Taking with the same measurement, taking point L, draw an arc on the top in such a way that it intersect with each other. समझाणु? Now give this intersecting point name as Y, for example. Now what we will do? We will join Y and X. Now this will be dragged to the extended to the other level. So this is line M, can I give, which is parallel to L. Anybody has any doubt with this? How it is parallel? How it is parallel? Because even this alternate angle will be equal to this angle. If this is 90 degree, this will be also 90 degree. So interior alternate angles are equal when we have parallel line M and L. Anybody has any doubt with this construction? Boys?
No.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
great.
Yes.
Chalo, question number 3. We are moving to question number 3. Chalo, read karo.
Let L be a line and P be a point not on L through
Wait,
P.
Sahil, wait. Let L be a line and P be not at line L. એટલે આ રીતનું હશે. આ L છે line અને L line ઉપર P નથી. So P is outside line L. Read the second point.
Through P, draw a line M parallel to L.
હવે શું કરવાનું છે કે લાઈન L હતી, point P હતો. From point P we have to draw another line parallel to L. કઈ લાઈન ડ્રો કરવાની છે? line M. So this will be named as line M. It is already given in the question. And આપણે construction કરતા તો આવડે છે question number 1 માં કઈ રીતે? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now join P and Q at point Q. So P and Q we have to join at point Q. આપણે પહેલા જ point Q અહીંયા લઈ લેશું to construct this parallel line. ઘણા આ પણ લઈ શકાય, અહીંયા પણ point Q લઈ શકાય. Are you getting? Like this. See, there are two ways. I will show you how to construct. Now choose any other point R. આપણે અહીંયા પહેલા Q લઈ લીધો in short. Okay, ચલો. Now any point R on M. M ઉપર ગમે ત્યાં આપણે R લેવાનો છે. Point R like this. I took point R here. Now draw a line parallel to PQ. PQ ની જેમ parallel line draw કરવાની છે. PQ ની જેમ parallel line draw કરવાની છે. Let this meet as on L. L ઉપર meet થાય, which we have to give name as S. It is given here. Now what shape do the two sets of parallel line enclose? હવે આ કયો shape prepare થાય છે? That is what the question is given. આ કયો shape થાય છે? After getting these two sets of parallel line, quadrilateral is correct answer. But two sets of parallel lines. Two sets of parallel lines કેમાં આવે? Two opposite sets of parallel lines means?
Rectangle.
Eh?
No,
Is this a
right.
rectangle? Rectangle is in the standing form. Is this in the standing form?
No.
So which kind of a figure is this? You are nearby, Sufyan. Rectangle is the nearby answer for this diagram.
Rhombus.
Rhombus કોઈ દિવસ two sets આવે, all four sides are equal in rhombus. Rhombus is one kind of a square which is in the slant form, and rectangle નું slant form શું કહેવાય? Parallelogram. So this is the slant form of rectangle. Two sets of parallel lines are equal. That means two opposite sides are equal, but it is in the slant form which is known as a parallelogram.
Yes.
समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं? This is the construction what we have to draw in this question number 3. So let me go through in the answer column. चलो कहेंगे मारू paint. Yes, here it is. સૌથી પહેલા શું લેવાનું હતું આપણે?
Line L.
Line L. ચલો line L લીધી. Okay. We took line L here.
P outside line L.
Point P
Point
on
P.
okay.
Outside.
Okay, point P I am taking here. Point P outside this चलो point P લીધું. Okay, point P outside line L. Okay, boys.
Yes.
Now to construct this, we have to take any point on line L. સૌથી પહેલા તો line L ઉપર કોઈ પણ point લેશું.
Yes.
Let point Q over here. We will take point Q on this and we will join this line with P and Q. Okay? Now
Yes.
we have to construct a parallel line from point P. So we will open rounder and pencil, and as per the regular things, we will take center point Q with the random measurement and we will draw an arc in such a way that it intersect line L at point આપણે આને નામ આપશું at point B. ચલો okay, and on line segment PQ at point A. બરાબર છે?
Yes.
We have drawn an arc from point Q in such a way that it intersects line segment PQ at point A and line segment L on point B. Any doubt with this?
No.
With the same measurement, we will take center point P and we will draw an arc from P like this. And we will give the name of arc like this over here. Arc no name આપશું આપણે H and અહીંયા આપશું G. Okay? GH is the arc. And I will give the name intersecting point here at line segment PQ as O. Any doubt with this? What I did? જે વસ્તુ નીચે કરી જ વસ્તુ ઉપર કરી છે એનો આર્ક થોડોક મોટો કર્યો છે મોટો ઇન ધ સેન્સ મેઝરમેન્ટ થી મોટો નહીં આમ મોટો કર્યો છે આવી રીતે આર યુ ગેટિંગ now what we have to do we have to open the rounder and pencil we have to pointer જે આવે ને રાઉન્ડર નું પોઇન્ટર એ ઉપર રાખવાનું અને પેન્સિલ લઈ જવાની બી ઉપર you will get the new measurement okay by taking this measurement again we have to point out O here and we have to draw an arc in such a manner that it get intersected to the arc GH like this. समझाणु क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now this intersecting point name we have to give L. Whatever name you can take up, it doesn't matter, boys. એમાં કોઈ એવી મોટી વાત નથી. Now what we have to do, we have to join this line, point L and point P here. Okay?
Yes.
And it can be extended from here to here, and it can be extended from this point to this side. So you have been constructed parallel line M to L. How you are getting L and M parallel? Because this angle, what we formed, and this angle is equal, alternate interior angles. Have you all understood the concept? This was sum number 1, what we did in this sum. Now what we have to do, the next topic, the next question related to this is what? Related to this is, up till here we took everything what they have told us. Understood? Now choose any point other point R on M. Now we have to take anywhere one point R on M. So we will take R over here. Sir, ઘરેથી પોટલું બાંધીને નથી લાવ્યા. It is being said in the question. It has been asked to do that. So I am doing. બરાબર છે? હવે શું કહી છે? Through R, draw a line. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. That means point R ઉપરથી parallel line બનાવવાની છે PQ. PQ ની line કઈ છે? This line, PQ. P is over here and Q is over here. This line segment is PQ. Are you getting my point, boys? Boys?
Yes.
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 So PQ ની parallel line બનાવવાની છે. This line we have to prepare. Understood? Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. Means what? Let it meet એટલે L ઉપર મળે છે. કયા પોઈન્ટે? S ઉપર. Are you getting? ક્યાં મળે છે? S ઉપર મળે છે. Is that clear? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So how can we construct this? How can we construct this? હવે અહીંયા જો તમે એક વસ્તુ તમને દેખાડું. Can I say this is the two parallel lines and this is alternate interior angles which is equal? Yes or no? Can I
Yes.
say this?
Yes.
This is corresponding angle to this angle. These two will be equal. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes. સમજાય છે, sir.
Two lines are parallel and one line is transversal. આ line ને શું કહેવાય? Wait. These two lines are parallel. Okay. And this one line is transversal to it. Chalo. So this is interior alternate angle, these two angles, what we are getting. If these two angles are alternate interior angles, That means both the lines are parallel, this line L and M, for example. You getting my point? So in the same way, this will be the corresponding angles, this angle and this angle, or this angle and this angle. Both are corresponding angles equal, these two and these two. સમજાય છે? So
Yes.
if I draw two parallel lines vertically and one transversal line horizontally, for example, આની જગ્યાએ મેં કયું ડાયાગ્રામ કર્યું? ઊભું ડાયાગ્રામ કરી નાખ્યું. Understood? So can I say that this angle is equal to the other one? This angle, which is, sorry, this one. I want to take this angle. This angle will be corresponding angle to this angle, like this. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Remove this part up till here, remove this part up till here so that you can understand. This angle will be corresponding angle to this angle. It will be equal. That means these two lines are parallel to each other. If these corresponding angles are equal, so we can make out that this line and this line are parallel lines. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
as we are taking alternate interior angles into grant, in the same way in this we will take corresponding angle into grant. So for taking corresponding angles, we took center point P and draw an arc over here like this.
Yes.
From point R, we will draw an arc on it like this. Understood?
Yes.
And give the intersecting point.
Sir, with
name
random
as-
measurement.
Yes, random measurement, beta. Random measurement. Okay. Taking center point as S. Chalo. Okay. Now this point and this point to be measured. Kaya point લેવાનો હવે? This point L and point O should be measuring. And this point S, we will draw a new arc over here like this. And we will give the point name right here as T. Chalo.
T.
Now what we will do, we will join this line. આ થોડુંક મારું હજી આડું હશે હો બેટા. Because thing is not proper for me. I'm doing without construction, that's why. Understood?
Yes.
Now this point will be, sorry. This point will be point T. Now we will join line segment R and T. And we will form your construction like this. I exactly parallel આવશે. આ થોડુંક બહાર
Yes.
કાઢવાનું. This intersecting point name as S. It is given in the question. બરાબર? And this part
Yes.
should be over here like this. આ arc આવી રીતનું હોય. And this we have to remove. So I will draw this intersecting line.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt now?
No.
સમજાણું કે નહીં? બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
સમજાય છે.
સમજાઈ ગયું.
So we have constructed the whole diagram like right here, what we required for, and what is the two sets of parallel lines. This is equal to this line, and this side is equal to this side. So two sets of parallel lines means what kind of a diagram we got here.
Parallelogram.
Have you all understood the construction of question number 3 in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of this construction, we completed our exercise 10.1. Let us start with exercise 10.2. Chalo. चलो बच्चा पार्टी, who will read this question? Sorry?
I read.
Yes.
Okay. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter, and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter.
Okay. So in the content, we have to draw triangle XYZ. Okay? જેમાં XY કેટલું છે? 4.5 centimeter. Sorry. XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter and YZ is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. And last, ZX is 6 centimeter. Yes or no? Boys, am I correct or wrong? So what we will do? Hello, are you all getting my voice?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We have to construct triangle XYZ. So in rough, we have to આપણે compulsory એક રફમાં ડાયાગ્રામ કરી નાખવાનો, જેથી કરીને તમને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ what are the things we have to go through. So X, Y and Z we have to construct. Okay, XY is 4.5 centimeter. YZ is 5 centimeter. And ZX is 6 centimeter. Understood? Anybody has any doubt with this? Now, what
No.
kind of triangle is this? Sauti Pela, what kind of a triangle is this?
Isosceles. No, scalene.
Scalene triangle. Very good. All three sides are different. That means it is a scalene triangle. Now let me clear you. You can take any of one line as your baseline. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે ટ્રાયંગલમાં આ જ બેઝલાઇન લેવી 4.5 કે 5 જ લેવી કે 6 જ લેવી. You can take any baseline. હવે રફમાં તમે ડાયાગ્રામ શું કર્યો છે? રફમાં ડાયાગ્રામ આ રીતે કર્યો છે તમે? You have done in rough column like this. So હવે આનો આ રીતે કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરી શકાય. You can do this. So let us take YZ as our baseline. So we will take Y and Z as our baseline. See, Y and Z. With the help of scale, measure of 5 centimeter. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt with this?
No.
So this is constructed as your 5 centimeter. Okay, boys?
Yes.
Now what you have to do, this is over. This we have fulfilled. Now X, Y should be 4.5 centimeter. So scale thi no kari na khai? Na kari na khai. We cannot do like that. We have to open a rounder and pencil. With the help of a scale, you have to get with 0 centimeter to 4.5 centimeter of measure like this. A scale che tamari barabar. This scale will be measure of 4.5, which will be between 4 and 5 like this. આની વચ્ચેમાં 4.5 આવતું હોય. Understood? So from 0 to 4.5, you have to open rounder and pencil, and taking center point Y, draw an arc on the top like this. Draw an arc on the top, which will be your 4.5 centimeter of a measure. And arc હંમેશા મોટો જ કરવાનો. Okay? આર્ક નાનો નહીં કરવાનો. Understood? આર્ક મોટો એટલે કરવાનો કે other arc should get intersected easily. સમજાણું કે નહીં? So this 4.5 is over. Now ZX, again open rounder and pencil, taking center point Z here. Open rounder and pencil up till 6 centimeter. આટલું broad કરો 6 centimeter જેટલું. Take center point Z, draw an arc here like this in such a way that it get intersected the other arc. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So this મારું accurate નથી, આ ધ્રુજે છે જો અહીંયા. This line is not, તમારું એક જ સરખું આવે. સમજાય છે? રાઉન્ડર અને પેન્સિલ થી કરો એટલે એક સરખું આવે. Is that clear, boys? Now what you have to do, you have to give
Yes.
it as x here. X ઘટે જ ને આપણે. Even this is fulfilled. Now join point x and point y. Then point x and point z. Simply join that and write the measurement. This is 4.5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Our sum is over. Construction is ready. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No. No, sir.
Sure na bachcha party?
Sure.
Sure, sure.
Chalo, question number 2. Who will read this sum?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Question number 2. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeters.
So, what kind of a triangle is that?
Equilateral.
Equilateral, and there is no name given in it. કોઈ નામ આપેલું છે? So we can prepare any triangle with any name.
No.
So let us take triangle ABC. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Where AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Question: equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Side એટલે એક જ side આપેલી છે, but equilateral triangle has all three sides equal. So in rough diagram, we can see here, we have to prepare ABC. So we will write A, B and C like this. Chalo. A, B and C. All three sides will be with 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. So this is how we will construct it. Okay.
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે ભાઈ?
સમજાય છે.
સર આ રફ માં શું કામ કરવાનું? રફ માં એટલે કરવાનું બેટા કે with the help of rough diagram you do not make any mistake while preparing the construction work. Understood?
Yes.
Chalo, you can take any baseline. So we will take BC as our baseline with 5.5 centimeter. Here we go. Okay. B and C. Okay, there is an error. Wait a moment. Wait a moment, okay, boys?
Yes.
I finished my... So this is point B, what we took, and this is point C. Now what we have to do, open rounder and pencil, take center point P, first measure it on the scale, 0 centimeter to 5.5 centimeter, okay? Taking point B, draw an arc on the top of line segment AC, okay? With the same measurement, કેમ કે 5.5 નું જ measure છે બેટા, with the same measurement, draw an arc from point C. like this. Got it?
Yes.
So you got this intersecting point, and that point should be point A. So we have completed 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. Now what we will do, we will join point A and point B here, and we will join point A and point C right here. Understood? And we will give the measurement in between all the columns. 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, and 5.5 centimeter. Your construction is ready. Any doubt with this construction?
No.
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 Samjha, Chapati.
Yes. Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with the construction work what we did up till question number
No.
2? So we have completed up till question number 2 in this exercise 10.2. Okay? We will continue from question number 3 for this exercise. All right, boys, in our next lecture.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, and your homework will be to complete your exercise 10.1 and 10.2 up till question number 2. Construct all the sums one time in your rough book and construct that same thing in your fair book as well. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well,
Okay, sir.
and enjoy your next lecture ahead.
Okay,
Have a
sir.
nice time, boys. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Khuda
Bye,
Hafiz.
sir.
Khuda Hafiz, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Hafiz.
Bye.
Bye bye.
બસ હલો 10.1 બતાવી દીધો હે સાહિલ
શું છે?
10.1 પૂરો કરી નાખ્યો હે